How to streamline recruitment with People Search API. People Search API provides access to helpful information about potential candidates to streamline the hiring process for HR departments and recruitment agencies. These APIs optimize candidate sourcing and background checks, enabling quicker, more accurate recruitment and higher quality hires. HR departments and recruitment agencies face challenges like rapid analysis, avoiding discrimination, and managing budgets while handling their regular duties. Adopting innovative technologies such as People Search APIs can make recruitment processes more agile and efficient. Using APIs, candidate sourcing becomes broader and automated across various platforms, helping find potential candidates with desirable skills quickly. Integrating a People Search API with recruitment software speeds up the search process, reducing manual effort and maintaining high recruitment standards. APIs enhance background checks by verifying candidate information such as employment history, educational credentials, and criminal records. Customizable search filters and APIs help narrow down candidate searches by location, industry, experience, and specific skills, making the search more targeted. People Search APIs provide real-time data updates, ensuring access to the latest candidate information and contact details for effective communication. These APIs help reduce unconscious bias in recruitment by focusing on objective criteria, supporting diversity, and compliance with anti-discrimination laws. People Search API can integrate seamlessly with existing HR systems, simplifying the adoption process without disrupting current workflows. Recruiters must handle data privacy and compliance carefully, especially when conducting background checks, to avoid legal repercussions and ensure ethical data use. Evaluating the cost-effectiveness of API services is crucial, especially for organizations with high search volumes or existing data access costs. People Search APIs offer flexible search options, including searches by phone number, name, and state, and charges may vary based on search results. While beneficial, using People Search APIs raises privacy and ethical concerns, necessitating strong adherence to data protection laws and best practices. Transparency with candidates about data usage, ensuring data privacy, and ethical handling are fundamental to maintaining trust and complying with regulations. In conclusion, while People Search APIs significantly enhance recruitment efficiency, maintaining a balance with ethical practices and human judgment is essential for successful hiring outcomes. Interested organizations can explore Searchbug's offerings for tailored API solutions. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you. Like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.